All right, everybody, we're gonna be doing the Smart Rider games. We're gonna set up the dimensions right now. So it's gonna be very simple. Basically what it is 10 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, 20 feet, pretty easy like that. So what I like to do is find out how far 10 feet or 20 feet is just in a normal walk, normal cadence. And what I found out is I laid out 20 feet or 10 feet of like a tape measure or some kind of long thing like that. And then I walked and I found out that about 8 steps for me, 8 normal steps is 20 feet. So now I don't need to bring a tape measure out when I set up the cones for the Smart Rider games. So I have 10 cones. You can get them from the store, or you can go ahead and chop up some tennis balls. 5 of them cut in half equals 10. Very simple, very easy. Or you can get these. So what we're gonna do is just set up. I'm gonna put that first cone right next to the motorcycle, kind of where I'm starting. And then from there, I do one kind of big step like that. And that's about 2 feet, 4 feet. It doesn't really have to be exact for that. That's just the starting point when it comes to starting the motorcycle. So from there, I go ahead and set out my arms and I go ahead and put them out. And that is the entrance and exit. Let's make sure that's doing good. Entrance and exit, basically. So from there, I stand in between these two and I walk my first 8 steps. So it's gonna be easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right where my toe is, that's where the cone goes. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right where my toe is, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I go ahead and go back to that first or the middle cone right here. I stand off to it. I put my right hand towards that cone, left hand towards that cone, so I know I'm straight going this way. So now instead of 20 feet, which would be 8 steps, it is only 4 steps for me because it's only 10 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Same thing here, arms, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now I go back to this cone right here, and that's the beauty of this. It's very simple, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could do this with a motorcycle, an e-bike, a bicycle, have fun with your kids. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or play around with your buddies and have fun that way. So now that that's all set up, we're gonna go ahead and start the first beginner drills, and let's have fun.